Presenting Realme Nazaro 50i. This smartphone comes in two color variants of carbon black and mint green. The phone is available in two memory variants of 2GB of RAM with 32GB of storage and 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage. Both are expandable up to 256GB. The 6.5-inch large display with 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, which makes it more immersive for movies and gaming. Capture your life's memorable moments in high-resolution 8MP AI camera of the Realme Nazaro 50i. It comes with f.2.0 large aperture that catches more light for better picture quality. It also has a 5MP front camera. Multitask, play games, and enjoy content on the Realme Nazaro 50i seamlessly thanks to its powerful octa-core processor. The 5000 mAh battery gives you 43 days of standby time. The box includes handset, adapter, USB cable Type-C, SIM card tool, screen protect film, case, important info booklet with warranty card, quick
Excuse me, sir. We're closing now.
Presenting Oppo A15s smartphone in rainbow silver. It comes in a size of 7.5 into 0.8 into 16.4 centimeters and weighs 120 grams. It is also available in fancy white, white and dynamic black. The smartphone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It is also available in 4GB RAM with 128GB storage and features dual nano 4G SIM. The 6.52 inches touchscreen comes with HD Plus display and a resolution of 1520 x 720 pixels. It has rear fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock and is equipped with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera and 8 megapixel AI beautification front camera. The smartphone runs on ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10 operating system. 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery providing talk time of 29 hours and standby time of 323 hours. The box includes the smartphone, USB cable, adapter, SIM tray ejector, protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.